I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure Windows has the right tools, latest iTunes or Apple mobile device drivers installed. Once done, plug the iPhone into your PC with the original Lightning cable, unlock the phone, and tap Trust when prompted so the device can communicate. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the Mobile Sync Backup folder. If you use iCloud-only backups, this folder may be empty. This step locates local backups and confirms Windows recognizes the device before you proceed to inspect files. Now you'll find and verify the backup contents. Open the Mobile Sync Backup folder and sort by date, modified to see recent backup folders named with long hex strings. Then open iTunes, go to Preferences and Devices to cross-check backup timestamps and see which backups are encrypted. If a backup shows as encrypted, make sure you have the backup password. Without it, you can't restore or view certain data. Once you confirm the right folder and password status, prepare to copy or restore the backup safely. To finish, choose Restore Backup in iTunes, select the matching date, and keep your iPhone connected and unlocked until the process completes. This restores settings and app data. If you only need a copy, close iTunes and copy the entire backup folder to another drive for safekeeping. If Windows or iTunes won't see the backup, restart Apple Mobile Device Service, reinstall drivers, try a different USB port or cable, and make sure the phone trusts the PC. These fixes resolve most detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.